In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your clients seamlessly using the Fresha platform. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, managing your client base effectively is crucial for your business to run smoothly and efficiently. So, let's dive right in and explore the process of accessing and utilizing the client section in your Fresha dashboard. First, you'll need to navigate to your Fresha dashboard. This is your central hub where all the magic happens. From here, you can oversee various aspects of your business operations. Once you're on your dashboard, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find various tabs that categorize different parts of your business. You'll want to click on Clients. It's easily identifiable, and clicking it will take you to the next important step. When you click Clients, you'll notice it expands into a couple of options. For now, we're interested in Clients List, so go ahead and click on that. This section is essentially your business's address book. It's where all your client information is stored, providing you with an organized and accessible list of everyone you do business with. Here, you can view all your clients in one place. It's a comprehensive list that organizes and categorizes all client-related information that you've logged into Fresha. This feature allows you to quickly access important details, such as contact information and appointment history, so you're always prepared for interactions with your clients and can personalize their service. Fresha also makes it really straightforward to grow your client list. If you need to add a new client, there's an option for that right here on the Clients List page. By clicking on it, you can enter new client information, ensuring that your roster stays up to date with the latest details. Whether you're adding someone new following a recent interaction or updating contact details for an existing customer, this feature keeps your database current and reliable. Managing your clients effectively is central to running a successful business, and having a tool like Fresha helps streamline this process significantly. By utilizing the Clients section in your Fresha dashboard, you can ensure you're always on top of contact details, have a clear view of your appointment history, and are ready to offer a personalized experience to each of your clients every single time. Hopefully, these simple steps provide clarity and ease as you work with the Fresha platform. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide empowers you to manage your clients with confidence and ease. Stay tuned for more tips and insights on how to get the most out of your tools. Until next time, happy managing!